I don't get to take advantage of this Kreg 720 Pro as much as I'd like to. Don't get to do that much woodworking. But when I do, I love it. It's got a lot of cool features. It comes loaded with everything you're gonna need, from the driver bits to the drill bits. This thing's pretty cool. You can take anything from 3/4 stock, clamp it, lock it, ready to go, or it'll take up to 1.5 inch stock. And you have that versatility. And what that does in locking down, that provides the accuracy and the location for the pocket hole itself. That, along with the supplied drill bit and stop collar, there's identifiers on here for the thickness of stock that you're working with. And you adjust that. I have it set at 3/4. That's what we were working with today with our baseboard and our 1x material. But it's that simple. Like I say, this 720 comes with everything. A long driver bit, short driver bit, the adjustment tool for your collar setup here. Nice little piece of equipment, nice addition to your shop. So when Kreg says they have a system for pocket hole fasteners, the drilling operation, the fasteners, they have a system. And what happens is, depending on the thickness of the stock you're working with, they have a nice little cheat sheet gauge over here. I'm working with a 5/8 inch baseboard, and actually that's recommending a 1-inch screw. So they really keep it simple for you, and they go, you know, all the way from 1/4 inch material all the way up and including the 1.5 inch. So just another nice feature about the Kreg product line.